Hi, my name is Maria Hult. I work as a product marketing manager at Rillion. I will now show you a short demo of our AI machine learning functionality within Rillion Prime. Rillion Prime's machine learning AI solution will help you to set the coding of incoming invoices. We will use your historical data to analyze that and to predict a coding based on the historical data that we have. How this works is that we will do an export of your historical invoices into our model, where we are creating a model specifically for you. And then when an invoice arrives into the invoice log, it will go through our matching engine. First of all, we will try to match it still to like an order or a contract. But if we couldn't find any orders or contract, we will try to create the coding based on the historical data with our AI machine learning functionality. Each invoice will get a suggestion based on this. And if that seems to be correct, the invoice could be sent out to the approval flow to be reviewed and approved by the end users. If somebody in the workflow is changing the coding, we will send that back information to our engine, and then we will keep learning and get smarter as you are working with the system. Let's also show this within the application. When an invoice arrives into Rillion Prime, it will come to the invoice log. It's in the invoice log where we're doing all this matching, comparing against purchase orders or contracts or whatever. But if an invoice comes in that is to be booked by AI, it could look like this. Let's open up this invoice. Here we can see that the invoice has been typed with AI matching. And due to that, we have received a proposal for the coding based on the AI model. Each part of the coding could be predicted based on AI. And we will set a percentage in how sure we are on this specific part. So here we can see that the account is very sure. We are 98% sure that this is the correct account. The cost center is a little bit more unsure. And for the project, we don't know actually, to be honest. So maybe this needs to be sent out to someone to be reviewed. And based on how sure we are with the coding, you can set up what should happen with the invoice. If it should be sent automatically out to an approver, or if you would like to review it first within the accounts payable view. If somebody in the organization is changing any of those dimensions, we will send back that information and keep training the model to be smarter and smarter. The model can actually create more than one posting line as well. Here is an example of an invoice that had been split over two different lines with two different amounts. So it doesn't have to be just one line. But of course, if it's too many lines, it might be difficult to predict with the same high confidence level. So that was a short introduction to our AI machine learning functionality for getting automated account coding on invoices in Rillion Prime. Thank you for listening.